G'day guys. Well, Friday arvo and I've decided to come out, do a bit of high banking in this gully that I've been doing a bit of testing in, and the little video that I chucked up yesterday, the waterfall, it's coming out of one of these feeder gullies, about 20 metres just up there. Got all this fast water running down here. Been doing a few test pans since I got here, and just pulled one out of there and had about 10 or 15 nice little bits, and another one just further up this little feeder gully, and took a test pan from over there in amongst that heavy cobble. I don't know if you can see that, just over there, about 5 or 6 little bits in there. So I'm just gonna pump a heap of material through the sluice and see what I can get out of it. Got the Oswash high banker with me, and obviously the petrol pump. Should be able to move a fair bit of material pretty quickly. Yeah, we had a massive downpour about 20 minutes ago, and then the sun came out, and by the time I got out here and set up, it's looking like shit again. But, I got a raincoat and a tarp with me, so got a tarp set up there over the bike. We'll be right. See if we can get a couple of hours in and pump a bit of material through this sluice and see how we go. I'll get set up and get this pump started, and we'll get moving. Cheers guys. buckets, and I will do a clean out, make sure we're catching the gold, and if not, have a bit of a play around with the angle of the sluice and whatnot. I think I've got it pretty right, looks pretty right to me, but yeah. I haven't bought an extra pan or a tub to pan into, so I'll put this stuff in the pan and peel it back real quick and have a look. Then I think I'll just start dumping the cons into one of these buckets, take it home and give it a proper pan back there. Alright, I'll see. Alright, well, that one had a good amount of very, very fine gold in it. Nothing nice like was coming out in the test pans from down here. So, for whatever reason, higher up there, much finer gold. It's getting chunkier as it comes down here, so I think I'll forget going up and start taking material from these lower parts. But well, it tells me my sluice is catching the finer stuff, so it's going to catch the stuff that I really want. So I might actually go and get a bucket or two from up by that waterfall I showed the other day. And down by the mouth of where it's coming out here, where all this big cobble is. So alright, well, just grabbed a quick pan out of bottom of this little feeder gully here. It's not a great pan, but a couple of nice little bits in there and a fair bit of fine stuff. Nice flakes. I think I might grab a couple of buckets out of here, and this is the main feeder gully here, where the most water's coming out of, I mean. As you can see, there's a lot of wash in the walls, a lot of old wash. Grey and orange clays. Got to be some good gold washing out of here. The massive waterfall up the top of this one. I'll grab a couple of test pans from the bottom of this one, and we'll see how that goes. Stockpiled about, I can't remember, 3 or 4 buckets full of stuff there, and I'm just going to get it pumped through the sluice as quick as I can before this rain comes. I just drop the back end of the sluice down a fraction, so there's a little bit less angle on there. Looks a bit better. Anyway, we'll get this cracked up and see what we get out of it. spare old tailings pile at the back here. We'll give this a bit of a quick wash off and have a look. Better be something in there. And so far so good. The rain has held off, and let's just hope it stays away for a little while, because I don't want to go home yet. A lot more spots down here that I want to test, and a lot more material I want to run, so we'll hope and pray that the rain holds off a bit. And it's been frustrating. I know everyone's dealing with the same thing at the moment. It's hard to get out and it's hard to make a video, but yeah, just got to give it a crack when you can. Anyway guys, I'll get this pulled apart and cleaned off, and we'll have a look at what's in there. Cheers. Alright guys, well, I cleaned up after that last run, and there was a lot of concentrate, so I had a bit of a sneaky peek at it, and there was some really good colour in there, and I've just dumped it all in the bucket with the other stuff. And we'll clean that up and have a look when we get home. But I don't know if you can see the mouth of this feeder gully just here, probably a bit too far away, but I just had to walk up there around a few bends. It's a very tight, narrow little gully. And just on one of the inside bends there, took a test pan. A few nice pieces there. Some fine stuff as well. I might go and get a few buckets from up there, or I might go and do a few more test pans up there actually. Yeah, we'll go and do a few test pans and test a few of the other spots up there. And I don't know if I'll run this loose again today. We'll see what happens. Anyway, we'll go and do a few test pans and work it out after that. Alright, cheers guys. I don't know if you guys would recognise this spot, but quite a few videos back, done a video called How I Find Hidden Nuggets, and at the back end of that video I crowbarred up some really hard ground to pan, and I had a tub up here with me of water. This is the same spot. So right here is where I was working. There's some of the bigger stones that I pulled out of the way. But yeah, nice to have some water in here. Anyway, I'll show you where this little inside bend is. There's lots of inside bends up here, but this is probably one of the first tight inside bends. So yeah, as you can see, just around that bend up there is the waterfall. This bit here. No, right in there, that's just where I took that test pan from. There's probably about 8 or 10 bits in there, and fine stuff as well. Lots of nice wash still in the wall up here. Grab another one out of here and just see if there's more in there. There's going to be more in there, but and I'll walk up a bit closer to the waterfall and do another pan up there, I think. Alright. Got a little clay balls in there, they've got to break up. But oh, clean. So, I don't know if you can see that or not. Excuse the noise. There's still some good colour in there. I'm only really sort of getting the crap off the top at the moment. I'm not down into the... But this is flood gold, so... Anyway, that's not a horrible pan. Horrible couple of pans. There's a lot of fine gold down there because I'm pretty shit at panning, but that's why I'm going to take all this stuff home, and I'm probably going to run it through clean up sluice into something that I can catch it in and run it again. So I don't know, I might be sort of done for the day, I reckon. It's getting pretty late, but come back up here tomorrow, I think, and just set the sluice up again. I might bring the sluice up into this feeder gully and dam up a little bit of this water. If I can run it up here. Take his up here and have a quick look. You can see the flood's just been up, right up here. Flattened all these prickles down. Nice gravel's dumped in here. And all this stuff here, this big pile of stuff here, collapsed during the flood. I've got all these boulders and it's just all collapsed in. Well, that's collapsed in as well. The water was all pouring up over that edge as well. And it was all pouring down over that edge too. See some of the nice layers in there, the clay, blue clays, and it's got a pretty defined line. Wouldn't mind testing a bit of this stuff, but anyway, I might bum around and get a couple more pans just to test a few spots up here for tomorrow in this top end of this feeder gully, and then head home, run this material that I got today from sluicing, see what's in that, and yeah, bring up the sluice tomorrow up here and Run all of this stuff here from this inside bend. And some gear from up there too, from right where the waterfall's coming down where all that big cobble is. But anyway, probably end the filming up here for now, and then I'll see you guys at home for the cleanup bit, and we'll have a look what we got. Didn't get to run as much material as I probably wanted to. Probably ran about, I don't know, 8 buckets or something like that in total, but got to do a bit of testing as well, and the rain held off, so that was good. So anyway, I'll see all you guys at home, and we'll have a look at the cleanup. Cheers. Alright guys, just going to do this cleanup vid now. As you can see, it's dark, so it's got a bit of artificial light going on, but that'll do. Anyway, we'll get going, see what we got. Not a ton of concentrates, because only done about, I think, 7 or 8 buckets in total, so yeah. pan off these cons. What's left? See what we got for the day. Let's have a look at that. Not bad. Not too bad. Sorry guys, just a sec. So, trying to get the light right so you guys can see that. But just on a rough pan back there, that's looking pretty good. Now it was, like I said, 7 or 8 buckets worth. So it could have been better, but I think it's worth going back there and having another crack at that spot. Particularly that last little inside bend I took 2 test pounds out of. So go and run that whole thing through the sluice and then go and attack a few more areas. Anyway, I'll get that cleaned and dried up, and yeah, anyway, that's that. You got something for the day, so it was worth it. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna go inside and eat some pizza and I'm done for the day. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Cheers.